So in this video, I'll be talking about AI voice agents. So AI voice agents are basically like your receptionist or your customer service agent, but they are essentially AI. So basically they take over the roles of an actual customer service agent or receptionist. And the good thing about AI voice agents is that they are consistent. They do not have feelings, so they are consistent in whatever when dealing with customers, when dealing with unsatisfied customers. And another good thing would be that they have 24/7 availability, meaning to say that they don't get sick, they don't need rest, they don't need holidays, and they can work round the clock even when you're sleeping. So that is one of the good thing about AI voice agents and why businesses are actually transitioning to using AI voice agents. So in this video, I'll actually give a brief breakdown on what are AI voice agents and why businesses are actually using AI voice agents and adopting them into their businesses. So I'll go on. So what are AI voice agents? So AI voice agents are actually sophisticated conversational AI systems that understands natural speech, process context, as well as respond intelligently in real time. So how we do is that usually when let's say you were to talk to an AI voice agent or an AI voice agent will talk to you, firstly you will have things like text to speech as well as speech to text. So meaning to say that when you speak to the AI voice agent, it will translate your speech into text and the AI will analyze the text that you have said and output the text to speech, which is basically how the AI voice agent converse to you. So some key capabilities of an AI voice agent is that it has natural language understanding, context-aware responses, multi-turn conversations, as well as if let's say the AI agent is not able to handle a task, we can have seamless escalation to humans, such as let's say emergency or urgent tasks that requires human intervention. The AI agent can transfer call over to the human receptionist or whichever staff for escalation matters. So you can use AI agents to transform your business operations. So what are some good things about AI agents is that firstly, it is always available. It does not need any downtime. It handles customer inquiries instantly. Any customer FAQs, booking of appointments, handling of any frequently asked questions, and it can be done any time of the day. No wait times and no starting constraints. So if your staff is not working, the AI can still work. And the next thing is that it can scale effortlessly. So it can go from 5 calls all the way to 1 million calls, depending on how much call volume do we have. So you can manage thousands of simultaneous conversations without increasing headcount or overload. And then the last thing about AI agents is that it does not cost as much as a staff. So usually usually a receptionist or actually a customer service agent, you pay them at least 1 to 2K per month. But with let's say AI agents, at most you can only pay like 3 to 400, and that is able to handle all of your calls. And also that's depending on how much call volume they have. The more call volume you have, the higher the the AI agent will cost, but it definitely will not be as much as paying a staff. So reducing costs will mean they will cut operational expenses by up to 70% while maintaining and improving the service quality. So actually there's consistent quality of the calls. Because if let's say the calls are being handled by a human, sometimes the human is tired, if the human is angry, the consistency of the constantly and the service of the call improves. However, if let's say it's an AI agent is handling the call, every single call will have the same amount of consistency and quality. So AI voice agents can free your human team so that your team can focus on more complex, high value interactions that require empathy as well as human intervention and for creative problem solving as well. So these are some real world impacts across industries that we have worked with. So for healthcare, you can help with appointment scheduling, prescription reviews as well as patient storage, where it can help to reduce administrative burden by up to 60%. Next one will be retail and e-commerce platforms where they thus do order tracking, returns processing, product recommendations, as well as convert 40% more inquiries to sales. And lastly will be for financial services, where you can handle account inquiries, fraud alerts, payment processing, and can essentially handle up to 80% of your routine transactions autonomously. So you may wonder, where do you build AI voice agents? I've been talking about so much about AI voice agents. You may be wondering, how do I build one for myself? How do I build one for my business? So there's actually two ways that you can build AI voice agents. There are two websites, web pages that can build. Firstly will be Retail AI, and the next one will be for Veppy. So for Retail, it's a much more beginner-friendly platform and it allows for rapid development as well as pre-built templates for you to work with. It's also a low-code platform with intuitive interface as well as industry-specific templates ready to customize and put in analytics and conversational insights for you. And for the next one, the next tool that I have would be Veppy. For Veppy, it would be much more complicated compared to Retail, and it's more suited for developer first customization and control. It has a powerful API first architecture and able to integrate with whatever tools that you're currently using, be it your scheduling platforms, your CRM, yeah. And you can have advanced voice synthesis and recognition, and have flexible integration with the existing tech stack. Or let's say you want the conversations uh to go with Slack or go with WhatsApp, you can integrate it seamlessly as well. So are you ready to get started? Are you ready to build an AI voice agent for your business? If let's say you wish to build one for your business and wish to know more about how to build an AI voice agent, I'm more than happy to share with you my expertise on how you can build them for yourself. I can even do a deep dive on how you can build voice agents using either Retail or Zapier. If you wish to know more, you'll jump down in the comments or you can build a call with me and we can discuss strategies together on how you can successfully build your first AI voice agent for your business as well. With that said, that's all for this video and thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you.